I would be very excited to share the news with you that I finally got my PMP certification done.
Thanks to eduhubspot.com and Varun's mentorship.
The material provided by EduHubSpot is fantastic and the mentoring is phenomenal.
I could not accomplish this feat without the outstanding mentorship of Varun.
I would like to thank EduHubSpot for all the support that was given to me in this journey.
If you're looking to be certified just like me, EDU HubSpot is your go-to place.
Thank you, EduHubSpot, for helping me become a PMI certified professional.
I want to give credit to my success to the Edu HubSpot team.
Hey Seema, congratulations on passing the PMP exam. I'm really happy for you, but how do you feel right now?
Thank you, Gautam. I'm extremely happy also to pass this exam because I was chasing this for a long time. So I'm very happy.
So happy to hear, Seema. I have to personally thank you for doing this particular interview. The reason is this interview had motivated a lot of my students. I would say, including you. You also said in the past, Gautam, the success story interviews are really motivating. See, now you are here, and it's a time for you to give back, to our
Thanks.
community. Thank you so much for doing this, Seema.
Thank you so much for having me.
That's my pleasure. So, I have a set of questions that I would like to ask you. Let me ask you one by one. Please share your professional background. What do you do?
See, I'm a project manager in IT industry, banking domain. I work in a banking domain, and I have 20 years of experience. So that is my professional background. From past 20 years, I'm working in a banking domain. I have, tasted different flavors of corporate world. Like I started with the BPO industry, then moved to IT. Was once doing a quality assurance, and then moved as a product owner. Now as a project manager.
Oh, that's thanks for sharing. See, I have another question. You being a 20 years experienced person, you have really such a vast experience.
Yeah.
Why you have decided to do PMP at this point in time? Why
See,
PMP?
yeah. See, I'm in my mid career, and I always wanted to do PMP. Like since 2012, I was wanted to pursue this, but in 2012, I had a daughter. She was 1 year old that time, so was not able to get time to do it. But it was always back in my mind that I have to do it for myself, not for my professional. Like no one in my organization told me to do it. Neither I was having any pressure, but it was something like which I wanted to do for myself to appraise my career further. So that and you know what, I am into the agile. I have worked in a predictive one also. I have, I know how things are, things we have to do. But when we combine them with some kind of like PMP guidance, PMI guidance, we know why we are doing these things. Like I have told Varun in his workshop that I was aware of iterative and increment, but I was not having a clear differentiation. What is
Hmm.
that? I know we do things incrementally, but we also say iterative. So I
Hmm.
was not aware of why we are doing it. Like, but now I have a clear understanding, like why we are doing this thing and what is value stream and everything. Like, yeah,
That's nice to hear. Seema, I would like to share my experience here. So I'm teaching almost close to 5, 6 years.
yeah.
The people who are saying that I'm doing this course for acquiring knowledge, trust me, those aspirants never fail this PMP exam, so that's my
Yeah,
experience. Yeah, I liked your intention. I really liked your intention. Yeah,
yeah.
good. The next question I have is, see, being a working professional and you have a daughter, and you have family responsibilities as well. How did you give time for studying for this PMP exam?
Yeah, see, in back of September, I decided now I have to do it. Actually, one training triggered me. Like it was always in my mind. One training triggered me in my organization. They were having some project management kind of training. I thought when these people are doing it, why not me? Then I started studying by myself, like gathered all the data. I was having PMBOK 6 from I think past 5 years. I was having that book with me. I have Rita with me. I have every resource with me, and I am very good at research and development. Like I have all kind of notes you will say, and I will have that. But I was not having, I don't know like how to constructively go about it. Like for a children, we teach them like you have to study chapter A first, then you will get to chapter B. But for like us adults, we have to search our own paths. When I was searching my own path, I finished half of my notebook reading and making notes and not getting anything, because reading was something which I cannot read the books. I can go to the videos, I can search on the internet, I can do anything. Like videos appeal me, like I can understand from the videos but not from the books. Maybe I will understand them, but it will take time. So then when the September got finished, that point of time, I thought that I have kept my target, the like in back of my mind I was targeting it for March. Then by that way I would have not done it in 2 years. That time I came across Varun's video when he said that you don't have to read books and we will give our material in, and you have a mentor which will guide you. That was a point which really motivated me. Like I have to achieve my goal and someone is helping me to achieve my goal, so why not go for it? Maybe I have to pay some cost, but that cost will be worth of it. So I decided to do like I came across your videos, and then I decided that it was always a motivation for me. I wanted to do it for myself. Like some things which we don't want to do for ourselves, we always find a path for it. So
Correct. Good. Thanks for sharing this, Seema, and glad that we are doing this interview. And I'm so happy that we could able to meet your trust. Actually, thanks
Yes.
for trusting us. Yeah. So, and also the next one. See, this exam is like a marathon,
Right.
so it's not a sprint. How did you keep yourself motivated?
See, I was never demotivated. Like I was never in my whole 3 4 months journey. I was never demotivated. There was only single point of time when I got demotivated when I appeared for a PMP clone question. I think part 1 or part 2. I don't know. I was not scored that much, and I was not able to manage time as well. I left. I think 10 questions. I left. Then I speak to you. You told me to go to the boot camp videos again and see where I am lacking and manage the time. You referred me some videos from Varun. I then I moved it very strategically. I first go to the bootcamp videos with for 2x speed. I wrote all the concepts which I was lagging again. Then I made a notes out of it. Then I go to the Varun's 80-80-70 rule video, your agile video, your various videos. I think I have gone through those videos twice. Then in my mind, like I got a very clear direction, and my concepts was very clear that time. I was aware of concepts previously also, but sometimes we just rush to the things.
Yeah.
So that rushing part was under me, and I was having a very big exam anxiety. Like I am a person who is, you tell me tomorrow is your exam and I will get anxious today itself. I will start having very anxiety. I got very anxious. So and deep breathing, Varun told us to do deep breathing. And after these 4 5 steps, I spoke to the EduHub people. Like you have built a very good community on the WhatsApp. On these videos, I choose 2 3 people. I speak to them. They told me this is a normal scenario, and go by your mentors, what your mentor is saying. And they also gave me some instructions like, okay, you did this thing wrong, go it in that direction, choose this video to see, or go to the maybe go to the all wrong questions which you have attempted, and you will be fine. And you won't believe me, like after doing everything, I was very fine. Like I was very comfortable. I was not having anxiety. A little bit anxiety was there, which everyone might have before the exam. That was there. Like my concepts are clear. Why should I fail the exam? That was in my mind. Like my concepts are clear. So that way it kept me motivated. Otherwise, all the topics I have worked in everything. So I was able to relate it with my work. Whatever I was studying, I was able to relate it, and in a good manner. Like when I was studying the PM book, I was not able to relate it, but with the videos and the concepts, I was able to relate it. So that was a big motivation for me. And the second thing which I will tell everyone, like in your boot camps, be attentive. I will tell you frankly, in your boot camp, I was not very much attentive because there was lots of things going around. And when I went through the bootcamp videos again, it just opened my mind. Like then I realized my mistake also. It was my mistake that in the previous time I was not so attentive. Be attentive, it's your time. Like I spend it, did the rework. If you are willing to do the rework, then don't be attentive, because videos are always there. But I will highly, say people that please be 100% attentive in the boot camps.
Thank you so much for saying this, Seema. Actually, the feedback which you have given, you know what? I'm gonna ask my video editor to prioritize your video launch, because this is very important. I want to
And
share this.
one thing I would suggest you to keep a mandate 100% camera on. Because if the camera is on, no one will distract. If the camera is off, people will distract. That is
Correct.
100%. And I was the one who kept the camera off, and I was distracted.
Yeah, I agree with you, Seema. When you would have been attentive in the boot camp, right? You would have completed the certification by
Yes.
fifth month itself. I
Yes.
agree. Yeah. Good. Your experience with the actual PMP exam. How was the actual PMP exam?
Yeah. So see, as I told you, in PMP Clone 1, I was all the things I have done in that one, like anxiety, non-time management. I was very chilled and confident before the exam. I was not very anxious. When the exam was start, I didn't think of the end result. I go by one. And you know what? Every question, what helped me? Elimination technique. I was aware of these three answers are not correct, and the one which is left out, that is correct, and it is relating to the question. So every question, one by one, I was able to do it very calmly. Yes, questions were lengthy, questions were difficult as well, but I was able to do them because my concepts were clear. I was knowing the techniques, like which you told us, the elimination technique, the flip technique, the other techniques, like the mathematical questions, like if it is point one or greater, what is that is a positive result, or if it is less than one, that is a negative result. So everything I was there, like in the concept wise, not in a single question I need to think like what should be the answer. I was aware of questions. I was able to manage the time with the help of the videos, Varun's videos, and like you told me how to manage the time. So I was confident. Like I was not a single point of time as I was anxious in my exam. It was a lengthy, so I took 2 breaks. I had some water. I calmed down. I sit for I was just, tracking the time, like my 10 minutes. When will it get over? So everything went well, yeah. And
Nice.
I took an early morning exam, 8 o'clock. Because whatever will happen that day happen at 12 o'clock. Either I have to cry for a whole day or I have whole day to enjoy. So that
That's
was
nice.
my
That's
point.
nice. That's a great reason, for
Yeah.
picking the time.
And you know what? A secret. I have not told anyone that I'm preparing for exam. No one was aware in my family, in my office. No one was aware. I wanted to give either a surprise or for a cry myself. Because I was so like, if I tell everyone, I don't know, if I don't clearly, it is a big, like, I am losing the money, I am losing the trust of people. So I just,
Nice.
after my exam, I called everyone. I called my mom, or I text my brother. I told my daughter. My daughter was little aware, like I'm preparing for something because she sees me around. What
Mm.
are you doing, Mummy? Rose, you are seeing some videos. What are you doing? I didn't told her that I'm preparing for some exam. But
Mm.
before 2 days, I told her that I have to go for an exam on this day, and will tell you after 12 o'clock what will be the result.
Good. See, actually, that is good, right, Seema? Because
Yeah.
when you are communicating your goals or vision to people, it will
Yes.
add unnecessary pressure on you.
Yeah,
You know.
right. That
Yeah.
was, and you know what? You won't believe. Before Edu Hubs, before anything, in August, I write it in a paper, like my manifestation or vision board, you can say. I write it that I will pass PMP in March
It's
2024,
nice.
and it got true.
That's nice. Very impressive. Very
Yeah,
inspiring. Thank you. Last question: your experience with ED HubSpot.
mind blowing.
Thank you.
When people say they don't know, like in my center also there was one girl also came for an exam. She told me from where you took your training. I told her Edu Hubs. She said okay, Edu Hubs. Then I was so like, why she is not aware of Edu Hubs? Every single person who is aspiring for PMP should know Edu Hubs, because I think your organization is doing something for people like us, like who have experience, like who have stopped studying from past 10 to 12 years, but videos are something which we see daily.
Mm.
So that thing, I mean, even in a younger generation nowadays, people are more to this social media, or they are more into the YouTube. So if they go to the YouTube and study something and gain out of it, so that is a benefit. I will say that you were the one, like I manifested it, but you were the one, like your organization was the one who holded my hand and passed me to that.
Thank you, Seema.
So I'm
Thank
so
you.
glad, like, yes. And
Thanks
I'm
for
so thankful to you and Varun, to everyone in the Edu Hub community, that you really make it my one of my dream come true.
Thank you, Seema. You know what? I'm doing this interview by 10:45 a.m. my time. I'm starting my day with your interview. I got my booster shot. Thank you
Yes.
so much for saying this. Good. Thank you so much, Seema, for
Thank
taking
you so
time and doing this interview with me. So happy for your success. Anyway, we will be in touch.
Yes.
All the best for all your future.
So thank
Okay.
you. Thank you, Varun.